I'm typing my paper for school. You guys want to listen to this noisy typewriter? Listen, listen. See, I'm webcamming from a freaking typewriter, and it's making all these typewriter sounds. I don't want to write this paper anymore. So, in what ways have changes in the culture of food reflected in the similarities and differences in the two meals that you describe? Well, I don't know. I hate this assignment. No, I like the assignment because the book is interesting, but I hate the assignment because it's due on Sunday and I haven't written it and I don't know how to write it. So, herp derp! I can type on my typewriter.